One second you're driving, the next someone's rear-ended you. It's not your fault, but now you're stuck wondering, who covers the damage and what happens next? Fair questions. If you're not to blame, why should you have to pay? And here's the thing, you might not have to. In the next 60 seconds, I'll break down what happens after a not-at-fault accident and how your insurance comes into play. Okay, so it comes down to your car insurance and what type of policy you have. With comprehensive car insurance, you're mostly covered. Your insurer might repair or replace your car even if the other driver is uninsured. But you'll need proof. Think photos, witness statements, dashcam footage, police reports, and details of the other driver. Now, if you've got third-party car insurance, things get trickier. It covers damage you cause, but not damage to your own car. So if the other driver's uninsured, you might still be footing the bill. So, the takeaway. With comprehensive, your insurer usually covers the repairs, medical bills, and maybe even a hire car. If the other driver's clearly at fault, your excess could be waived. With third-party insurance, you might have to chase them for costs yourself or let your insurer try. Even if it's not your fault, claims can get messy, especially if the other driver's uninsured or denies fault. That's why it pays to know your policy before something happens. For more straightforward explainers like this, hit subscribe.